Hey guys, Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Today we got a customer with a complaint of a skunk smell in their vehicle. We offer a service called the Mist Certified Cleaning Service. This chemical that we run through the vehicle is designed to destroy bacteria as well as mold, the common cold, flu, but it is not guaranteed to get rid of smells. So what the company has offered for this customer, because it's a very unique smell, it is a strong skunk smell in the vehicle. They are offering the customer 2 bottles, which we're going to use on the vehicle to run through the system. They're going to offer that up free of charge just so we can do this video and post it to YouTube and see if their product actually does do the trick. And of course, the customer is agreed to pay for the labor that's involved. I've explained that we should probably replace the cabin filter. So right now, we're working on getting this cabin filter out, which has proven to be not such an easy task. It is absolutely chocked full. We have a forest growing in here for sure. That might cause some smell. I'm thinking that might be part of the problem. So, cabin filters being replaced. A lot of people say, yeah, I can do it myself. Simple job. Well, what's involved is a little more than just opening this, because now we've got to go in and make sure that we get all of the sediment that has fallen down into the blower motor out, or we're going to have issues. So this is going to be a little bit more detailed job, but rest assured, I'm pretty sure once we get this out and deal with this issue with our mist service and replacement of the cabin filter, our skunky smell is probably going to be dealt with. Urban Automotive, 497 Maple Grove Drive. Please hit like and subscribe to share this with friends, to teach them about the importance of cabin filters, because this is just like your furnace filter in your home. Replacing a $20 cabin filter is a lot less money than replacing a $300 blower motor in this particular vehicle. Have a great day.